Hello Sunny Bonani beautiful people, welcome to my photo shoot. See this face and say goodbye to it, because in a few minutes it's going to be transformed. You're going to be asking me questions like, why are you not on the runway? Why are you not a professional model? You're going to be like, Naomi Campbell for who? It should be Tenjiwe Campbell. So watch this space. My face is about to be transformed.
Something like this.
Okay, now I'm being shown the looks. I'm gonna choose a look that I want. Bye.
One eternity later.
Yo guys, much respect to the ladies who have to do this thing every day before they leave the house. I just do not have the patience to sit down for this long. I just do not have the patience to sit down, everybody, and get this done. Yo, thank God I don't have to do photo shoots every day. Even when I have to do makeup for work, I find it so tiring.
Color. I wanted to put something bold.
Okay. I'm wearing a red dress.
Yeah, push the car. Push the rocker. Come, Samuel. Do the same thing. Yeah, no, do it just, yes. Do the same thing you're doing. Do you have to look at the camera, all of them? She doesn't have to. You can look on the side like this.
I need to be told these things.
Told.
Somebody gotta tell me. Told me.
Yes. You were flying when you started. Like you were doing everything on your own.
Now she's tired.
Let me go with her.
You can feel it.
Okay.
Even your whole head. And down.
Move a bit to your left.
Hi guys, I was born for this.
Yeah, no?
Such a shame that if you are black, people will wait until your funeral before they say good things about you.
Yeah.
If everything was fair, if I was white, you guys would be telling me how brilliant I am right now.
Ah!
But then, because of my skin color, I have to wait
For your funeral.
for my funeral before people say good things about me.
Then we'll be saying,
Die first.
then I'll be the first one to post your photos. Say, you know, I did your
And
photo
then you
shoot.
like, this one,
Die first.
this one even took a photo with Humus again. They'll never advertise your shows, they'll never say anything nice while you are alive. Die. You see how many people have taken photos with you.
Then we'll be saying, no.
Sometimes I feel like faking my own death just to see who has a photo with me.
Okay, stand straight up. You can do that actually. But go a bit back.
Okay.
Okay, let's do that.
Check out.
Can be a good model. Some models can't even do all these things. We need to tell them what to do.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. It is free. There is no catch. Please subscribe.
So let's do it. Ooh.
I think this one might be nice with the mic as well, isn't it?
Yeah, you could have one when you use it for.
Yeah. Thank you.
When are you starting another 7 of those shoes?
Hey, I'm busy. This year I just want to travel. I want to do different countries. I'm on the road. TV, you know TV takes too much time. It ties you down. You saw what time you were working until.
Hey, that thing was finishing us. Having to finish every day around that time.
And then imagine if it was in your mouth.
Oh Lord. Save my ears.
Imagine having to deal with her every day. Must be very tough.
It's not easy.
Okay, putting the
Look at where she
this
put it.
one.
Oh, okay. Release it. Don't move after that. That's the one seated.
Not this one. Kick up, and I'm gonna take him.
Oh,
Let us kick up.
Father, imagine if this was in your
Imagine.
mouth.
and now he's no longer an MP, so you can talk to him.
There's something wrong with this side.
Yeah, just leave it.
What girl is good with makeup? Her makeup is.
If you say so, when I see makeup all the time.
No, it is. I mean, it doesn't have like a lot of things that.
And it doesn't look
Necessary
too much.
Yes. It's not too much, and it's like you are not shining. You know, other people do makeup. The next thing, we won't even.
You look like an
recognize you.
Indian Christmas tree.
Yes. We won't even recognize you. Stand for me where you standing before. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh,
Please break your legs, but not the camera.
nice. Do you believe
But I
that-
want to ask, this shirt, are you wearing the right way around?
No, I'm not. Why did you do that to me?
No, I'm wondering.
No, but I
Because
think it doesn't look the same.
I'm only noticing it now.
I think you're gonna have to change.
Yes, that's
The front
all.
pose.
Please come.
Several bad puns later.
This love does making noise. No, man. Let them. This love does making noise. Do that again with both hands. Just try both sides. Can you just keep moving around the beach? Then and to stop.
Make a bow.
Yes. Wait.
Yeah, this would be nice.
This one is only purpose now, which is apparatus.
Oh.
Just to make sure, because if I don't, it's going to create a lot of work for me to clean up. Wait, let me just shut that.
The picture is not the same as before. Oh, the light is not on yet.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
I would have forgotten it is. Then the next thing I would be surprised when it doesn't go on.
at least now we know the importance of the lights.
Yes.
So that when I don't eat for 2 months and I tell you I'm saving for lights,
They must
you know the
understand.
importance.
Okay, don't look at me. For the place. Yes. So now can you try moving the hand a bit up?
This
No,
one?
the same one.
Mm.
A bit far away enough from your body. And then you can.
Remove the checks.
Yes.
I'm going.
I'm going.
I'm leaving.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay.
Wait, okay. Let's finish this outfit.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
But we'll be doing another one soon.
Sure. That dress.
It's nice, man.
And guess where I got it from?
Much.
Marawa starch.
Nope. Nigeria. Lagos, Nigeria.
Sure.
Try. Okay, that's not. Face that's it. Look somewhere. And
In
then.
Nigeria, they're good with them.
No, they're good.
Mm.
They're good with their hands.
Then your feet is. One more.
Yeah, she looks too nice.
Breathe in.
She's doing that top.
Just the top. Try to do that.
Practice to breathe in.
Your eyes. Look down. Shrink the eyelashes.
She must open halfway to show the eyelashes like.
Smile like you have $1 million in your account.
Yes. Take it until it happens.
Fake it until SARS catches you.
Catches you like. Right now they're serious. Can't they?
Now it's breathe in time. Huh?
Yes. Please go a bit back. Oh, that's nice.
Thank you so much. We'll
The gate.
We'll talk. I'll send everything when I get home.
Tell Junior to get the remote and you open
Okay.
for you there. It's there.
Junior.
It's there in the
Go a
house.
bit back. Yes. So now let's do that.
no?
All triple.
With my back.
All triple. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought get that. Okay, you want to
I lived through apartheid.
Okay, put your leg there. That's just to give like a bit of a shape.
Oh.
You don't want your head looking like your papa pig.
Hey!
Aye, aye.
Papa penny, aye. That's what you did.
He's such an entertainer.
Oh,
That's it, guys. Photo shoot is done. Garage is back to being a garage. It was so much fun. I'm looking forward to getting the finished products.
Hello.
Do you think I make a good model, or I make a good model, or I make a good model?
A good model.
Thank you.
A very good model.
Thank you for reminding. Thank you for reminding me of what I already knew of. Now I feel like just going to the mall because I can't be wasting this makeup. Just walk around. I should have done this during the presidential inauguration. And then go and walk around and, you know. So, yeah. Why is it gone so dark? Yeah, it's been so good, so nice. And yeah, let me get on with my daily chores. You said the mall closes at 7, so bye. I need to go to the mall. I've got things to buy. I've got money to spend, unlike you. And yay, here is the final product. I am very, very happy with the results. I did tell you guys I was going to transform. Don't you call this a transformation? I am very happy with the results. I'm happy with the photo shoots. And my photographer is actually based in Pretoria, and he does travel to where you are, or you can go to his studio, and his prices are very, very reasonable. I use him for most of my comedy shows. He is the one who takes the photos for most of my comedy shows. He also does videos for everything that you need. Weddings, funerals, housewarming, house cooling, you name it, he'll come and record it for you at a very reasonable price. I'm gonna leave his details down below. Please do contact him if you do need a photo shoot or some video taken of you. I'm not sure about the kind of video you're thinking of. If you are thinking of pornography, I have never asked him, but you can always ask him. It's not a crime to ask. But yeah, guys, I am really happy. I am happy, happy, happy. Don't you think this is a transformation? Please comment down below and let me know if you think this was a proper transformation. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye.